guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakhi and today I'm going to share DIY facial at home with you guys. So we are all at home nowadays. So we all need like a self-care moment to ourselves. So this is like a perfect facial because all of the ingredients used in this facial will be available in your kitchen. So you can just go right now, grab all these things and do the facial. So yes, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So the first step is to cleanse, and for cleansing we are going to use a tomato. So the tomato reduces the open pores and blackheads which is on your skin, and also removes the tan which is on your skin. So basically it will not brighten you up, it will just remove the tan, so you'll get your original color. So that's the first step. Okay, so the next step is to scrub. So for scrub, we are going to mix here sugar, coffee and honey. So a lot of people uses olive oil instead of honey, but I would prefer honey because I haven't tried basically olive oil. I don't know if because I haven't tried it because I have extremely oily skin. I don't know if it will affect my oily skin like olive oil, but I don't want to take the risk right now. But if you know anything about olive oil, you can use it for yourself. You take that call. So here in this scrub, the sugar. What does the sugar does? So the sugar exfoliates your skin and it moisturizes your skin naturally with the fatty acids it has in it. Now after sugar comes the coffee. So the coffee improves the blood flow and it also tightens up your skin. So if your skin is loose, not loose but yeah loose, it will tighten up your skin, and also puffiness come in hand with tightening up. So it will also reduce the puffiness which is on your skin due to caffeine. So that's what the coffee does. One more thing, if you have extremely sensitive skin, or if you know that one of these ingredients does not work for your skin, just do it a patch test on your hand, and if there's any reactions, just don't try it on your face. I don't think there will be, but if you have like extremely sensitive skin, don't try it if they have any reactions. But yeah, if you have sensitive skin, you can use a lot of honey, and instead of sugar, like you have to use sugar, but instead of that cube sugar you can use powdered sugar. So it will not be like harsh on your skin. You'll have to make a paste. It will still exfoliate, but make like a thick paste instead of that rocky scrub. Okay, so yes, now let's move towards the honey. So in this scrub basically honey moisturizes. Honey has a lot of benefits like overall, but in this scrub it will just moisturize your face and it will also add some glow to your face. So the enzymes which are present in honey, it enables them to go deep into your skin and just moisturize your face, and that immediately adds some glow. So that was the honey does, and it also like reduces the harshness of the scrub. So yes, that's the second step. Now let's move towards the third step. So the third step is to massage. So for massaging we are going to use aloe vera gel. So basically for massaging you have to just do it in the upward motion. I will demonstrate, but you have to massage basically with aloe vera gel. So put some aloe vera gel on your face and just massage your face. So what does the aloe vera gel does, that it soothes your face. It prevents pimples. So I don't think it prevents pimples, but it will be like it heals the pimples. You will not feel that much pain which you'll feel on a regular basis. So yeah, it heals the pimples, and it's also a natural product, so that's great. Yeah, that's it. That's what the aloe vera gel does. Basically it soothes your skin, so you'll feel good after this long scrub. You'll just feel good, and you can wash that aloe vera gel off if you have used a lot. But if you have not used a lot, you can just don't wash it, there's no need. But if you have used a lot, you can wash it off. Okay, now the fourth step is to tighten up your skin. So basically for tightening you can use any of your favorite face packs, but if you don't have any, here's a remedy for you. So take some basin, a bit of turmeric or turmeric, squeeze a bit of lemon in it and put a bit of yogurt, so it will be like a nice face pack. So yogurt, it like a lot of people thinks that yogurt will affect the oily skin, but it does not do so for me. Like it does not affect my oily skin, it just works fine. So if you have oily skin, I think so you should give it a go. um, yeah, so that's what the yogurt does. And put a bit of turmeric in it, otherwise you'll be yellow afterwards. And yeah, the lemon has vitamin C in it, so which is great for your skin. And it also tightens up the steps. Like this pack tightens up the steps, like the 3 steps which you have done right till now. It will just tighten it up, it will just ensure that the step are in intact. So it will just tighten up the steps. Okay, now let's move towards the 5th step and the last step, which is to tone. So for toning, we are going to use green tea or rose water. So let me first tell you the what does toning does. So basically, the toning tightens up the pores, or it closes the pores. So the first step opens the pores, and the last step closes the pores. If you keep that pores open, dirt may gather over there, and it may cause blackheads. So yes, it closes the pores and it freshens up your face basically by removing the dirt. Like if there's any dirt, like usually toning after cleansing, you use a toner to remove the dirt. Like still after cleansing, if there's any, you remove it. But in the facial process, I don't think there will be any dirt after 4 steps. But if there's any, just it will remove it. So yes, for toning, we are going to use green tea or rose water. So you can use either or. Don't use both, either or. So if you're using green tea, you can just take the green tea bags and froze them for some time. Okay, you can just froze the green tea bags and you can use them as a depuffer. So take the bags after some time and just depuff your face. And after doing that, you can also use the green tea water. Like just take some green tea water, froze it, and just spray it on your face. So that's what you do with green tea. If you're using rose water, you can just spray rose water on your face, or you can just take a cotton pad or some cotton ball and just put it on your face. Okay guys, so that was it for the video. This was the 5-step facial. Like it's literally 5 steps, so like it will not take a longer time and it will have a lot of benefits. And it's DIY basically, all of the natural products, which is very nice for your skin. So yes, that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.